What's up, what's up, what's up? Happy Friday, guys. Quick video, let's jump right in. Bitcoin, the market. Looks like we're wanting to go up a little bit. Let's get right into it. So, if you have been watching my last couple channels, I've been saying that we've been locked in this channel. channel. We've been locked into this little channel of like around 16.5, 16.4 to 16.8. Looks like we finally have broke out. I wanted to wait because if you can see right here, we did break out when we had the Fed meeting yesterday, but I didn't know if it was going to be like a fake out, and we still don't know. But it looks like we actually had held some good support at 16.9, which was above that channel, and now we're kind of starting to work our way. We tested that support a few times, and it looks like we're trying to get some new support here. So we're gonna have to see where we're gonna have some resistance. I'm thinking that we're gonna definitely see some resistance somewhere around 17.3, but we'll see how it goes. Given with everything that I'm about to show you right now, we might be seeing some kind of a jump up where we could possibly be getting out of the 17s here soon and working our way back up a little bit. Let's see here. So I wanted to point out the DXY. Looks like we are at 104. That actually looks like it's I want to say a few months low. So looks like the DXY is starting to trickle down slowly but surely, which is good because if anytime the DXY is going to go down, the market's going to start rallying up. So that's something that's good, something that we'll keep an eye on. Ethereum chart looking about the same. It was stuck in a channel somewhere around 12.6 to anywhere from looks like it even dipped down to around a little under 1100, but definitely trying to get past that $1,300 mark. If we could see above 1300, we're definitely going to see some kind of resistance somewhere in the mid 1300s. If it can break 1340, we're going to see some jumping up. But you know how it goes. Ethereum's really going to just follow the master of all of it right now, and that's going to be Bitcoin. So that's why we're focused on that. Bitcoin definitely jumped out of that channel. Let's see if we can kind of get out, because we've had a couple times where we have came out of the channel, but it was short-lived. This looks a little different. If you really look at it, looks a little different than these other times where we just had a quick bounce up, but then we kind of trickled back down. This doesn't look like a quick bounce up. If you see these stairs, this is a natural growth. That's something that you want to see. W pattern forming. Looks like we might be seeing some kind of a I'm not going to say rally, but we could be seeing some kind of a jump up here. Like I keep saying, hopefully if we keep going, we can get out of the 17,000. We start getting into 18, we could see 19 quick, obviously, because that comes right after, right? No, but once we start getting to these numbers, I think we're going to start seeing people that are hanging on the sidelines. They're going to start jumping in. And we all know what I've been saying. We focus on these big cap coins. Bitcoin, you always want to have a little bit of Bitcoin. If you're rich, you want to have a lot of Bitcoin, but you want to always have a little bit of Bitcoin. That's basically like your gold. Ethereum, I'm big on Cardano, ADA. We're going to get into that this weekend. Definitely some good buy-ins right now under, I think it's at like around 31 cents. Definitely some good buy-ins. But all eyes on Bitcoin right now. The DXY going down. Bitcoin's going to start going up. Hopefully, we get past that 17.4, 17.5 mark. We're going to be going up to 18,000. We see 18,000, I think we're going to start seeing some people really FOMOing in, because still even at 18,000 is a good buy-in. So short, simple, we'll see how it goes. We are going into the weekend. Like I've already stated before, we all know how the weekends go. Sometimes weekends can have nice little rallies, but for whatever reason, Sundays, a lot of times people will start selling off on Sunday evening. So we'll see how it goes. Definitely, if we can hold at least 17 right now, and we can kind of form some nice support right here at even 16.9, around that. Like we've been kind of going down. We go up to 17, then we'll dip down to 16.9 even, and kind of go back up to about 16.950. Now we've definitely hit 17,000, and like I said, there's a nice W pattern form that's formed. So we'll see how this works. We'll see how this goes. Definitely watching, but looks good. Things are looking good right now. I think the confidence in the market is going to start coming back. My question to you is, have you gotten good positions? Are you hanging on the side? Put a comment down below. Let's talk. Me, I've been slowly dollar cost averaging in on a lot of coins that maybe I thought I missed out on, like last year or the year before that. I would say like Cardano. I was always in Ethereum. I was buying into Ethereum when it first, was around like a $900, and I ended up selling when we were in our rally last year when it was around. I sold at about 43, because I did go through where I bought in around 1,000. I had a few Ethereum at the time, and I bought in at 1,000. It went up to like $4,000, and I didn't sell, and then it dipped back down to like, I want to say like around 15 to 1,700, and I was, kicking myself. I was like, why didn't I sell? At that time I could have over doubled my position. So when it went back up and it had that rally last year, I believe it was, last year around November, it was like 4,300. I ended up selling multiple Ethereum. It did rally up to about 4,800. You can't sit there and be down on yourself. You're like, oh, you missed out on $500 per Ethereum. And when you're talking about multiple Ethereum, it's some money. But at the same time, we can't time the bottom, we can't time the top. But if you're in the profits and it's a nice profit, you want to take it. Don't be greedy. Especially, there's always going to be more chances, you're always going to have more opportunity with the crypto market, and that's what's awesome about it. So we'll see how everything goes, guys. I hope you guys have a great Friday. Other than that, we're good to go. Just to recap, Bitcoin looks like we're doing good. It's got a nice W pattern forming. We're over 17,000. Hopefully through the weekend we can see maybe a decent rally, something that we haven't seen in these past weekends. It's been multiple weekends where it's just, we're not doing good, and then in the weekend we do a little bit worse. We'll kind of bounce back during the week a little bit, and then the weekend comes again and there's just like a sell-off. So I think with the Fed meeting that just passed, a lot of dovish talk that's been going on in regards to, with interest rates possibly coming, they might be, hitting that 50 point instead of the 75. The job report did come out. Wasn't the best. Check out my last video. I did explain, basically, the job report came out strong. That's something that we don't want. The feds don't want. Us civilians. In the economy. You want to see good more jobs out there, more availability. The feds don't want to see that because they basically want to see the market or the economy right now not doing so good, and that's what's gonna be like. All right, what they're doing is working. Let's start tampering down a little bit. Let's do a pause. With the interest rates. But with all the job reports, with companies still hiring, believe it, even over Amazon, and you have Facebook, Twitter, all these big tech companies that are laying off. I think last month I saw an article, it was like 100,000 just in big tech, 100,000 job loss, like they laid off. But that really had no effect. So the job reports came out and it was actually exceeded more than what they were expecting. So that's basically what it is. Let's see, while we're talking, Bitcoin's definitely doing all right Friday night. Hope you guys having a great Friday night. We're going to be doing some lives here soon. I'm just building up the channel, getting a lot of people, bringing them to the channel, so then we can start doing lives, and I'll definitely start looking at coins that you guys want to look at, and we can kind of all see what our opinion is. But we'll see. You guys know I'm definitely big on the small cap coins. I feel like right now, especially right now, even if we're going to start shooting up, it's still good times to get some good positions, because these small cap gems, they're going to be where you're going to see the most gains. They could be the riskier, but more risk, more returns. So we'll see how it goes. Again, thank you guys so much. I appreciate everything. I thank you guys so much for the comments, the new subscribers, the views. I appreciate that. It's definitely giving me motivation to just keep going. You guys have a great night. I'll see you guys this weekend, all right? Thank you.